Hello, dear students. This is Nawaz Badshah. I hope you, grade 5, will be fine and you will be enjoying your studies as well as your vacations. So, this is our study scheme for grade 5, unit number 8, lesson number 3, by name Saving the Turtle. We will have a good understanding on our words meaning, word sentences, true false, and this is not the part of this lecture. It will be in the next lecture, inshallah. So let's jump into the next slide. So these are our words meaning. These are words meaning in the Saving the Turtle lesson. Words meanings. The first word that we have is arrive. Arrive means पहुंच जाना. Arrive means पहुंच जाना, जिसका मीनिंग है इंग्लिश में रीच, पहुंच जाना या कम आना. नंबर सेकंड वर्ड जो है कलेक्ट, जमा करना, और इसका मीनिंग इंग्लिश में है गैदर. We have another word that is knit, जाल. हम कहते हैं नेट को हम उर्दू में जाल कहते हैं, और हमारे पास इंग्लिश में इसका मीनिंग जो है वो वेब है. वेब, जिस तरह हमारे पास वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब भी होता है, तो वो भी एक जाल की तरह होता है. इस एक स्फेयर की तरह, एक स्फेयर में आप लोग और हम लोग जो है अपने चीज़ें सर्च करते हैं गूगल पे, तो इसीलिए उसको भी www कहा जाता है, मतलब वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब. या नेट अगर हम देखें तो मतलब हमारे पास वॉलीबॉल का नेट होता है, या फुटबॉल के गोलकीपर में का जो ठिकाना होता है उधर भी इसका नेट होता है, तो इसको हम कहते हैं. So the fourth word that we have is flipper. A shoe for swimming. Flipper वो शूज होते हैं, वो जूते होते हैं जो हम स्विमिंग के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं. The last but not the least is fall, गिर जाना, and the word fall means drop down, नीचे गिराना. Okay, let's go to use them in our own sentences. These are those words that we have talked in the last slide, and words, sentences. Arrive. As you know, people, that arrive means पहुंच जाना. Let's use it in a sentence. I arrived to school. मैं स्कूल पहुंच गया. Collect, जमा करना. He collects the money. वो पैसे जमा करते हैं. Number third word is net. Jal. Ali caught a bird in the net. As I told you that net means jal or web. So Ali ने एक परिंदा जाल में पकड़ा. Flip. Can you flip eggs? And the last one is fall. Fall means drop down. Rain falls on the roof. छत पे बारिश का ये सेंटेंस है कि मतलब बारिश हो रही है छत पे. Fine, dear students, we have true false on page number 43, and these are those sentences that are so some of them are true and the rest of them are false. So the first one is true, the second one is also true, the third one is false, the fourth one is true, the fifth one is also true, and the last one is also true. So these are those sentences which are given in our book in the lesson Saving the Turtle at page 43. Please consult these sentences and have a good understanding on them. If you have any query or questions, please let me know. I'll be present for your answer all the time. Have a good luck for your studies. Thank you.